Hello everyone, so this is my trade outlook on AUDUSD for this coming week. You can see today's date is currently Thursday, September 19th. So for this coming week, this is what I'm going to be looking at on AUDUSD. It might not be the best trade idea, but believe me, it's literally brilliant. So just pay attention, right? So first of all, I want you guys to notice how price has never traded below this trend. As much as we have manipulated it, we never traded below. Now look at this. You see here, when we hit this trend line, this red trend line, when we hit it, what happened? Price traded above it. When we came back here, price went below it, but we never had this kind of moves below it. We just went below and then immediately pushed above and traded above. Same thing happened here. We came a little bit lower and then we pushed above. Same thing here and same thing all here, even to this last point here. So that's the first thing I want you guys to pay attention. And this is showing us that the weekly time frame is bullish, has a bullish trend, and we have been respecting these levels here. Now I want you to also pay attention to the structure of the market. So I'll be switching to structure right now. So I want you to pay attention to the structure of the market, and I want you to see how this market has been breaking the last bearish structures to the downside. So you can see here, this was the last bearish structure, and the price action with heavy volume pushed higher and broke this. Same thing happened here. We had heavy volume to the upside and we broke this. You get me? But nevertheless, this is a premium support / resistance level, and that is why price has been having difficulty to cross it. So we had here, push the downside, had here, push the downside, had here, push the downside. But nevertheless, this is the last one. Even after we pushed the downside, we went ahead to break above this. It's beautiful. Like, this is beautiful, guys. You get me? This is beautiful. So we've had break of structure 1, break of structure 2, and also break of structure 3, especially if this candle that is forming here closes. Because if you switch to candle, this is the candle right now, and if this candle closes above this level here, then we've had the third break of structure, right? Now I want you to also pay attention to how this EMA is crossing below price, and every time this EMA crosses below the price, it shows that the price is going to be bullish. The price crosses below the EMA, it shows that price will be bearish. Let me show you guys history of this. So first of all, you can see how price crossed below this, showing and price went down. You also see how price crossed above this and price went up. Same thing is happening here right now, guys. Pay attention. Look at this. Look at this. So you can see how price is price has crossed above the EMA with heavy volume. We tested it and now we have pushed higher, and this is just a sign that price is going to just keep going up and the EMA will just keep following price that way. So this is an opportunity to push up, and this is happening on the weekly time frame. All this thing I'm showing you guys now is happening on the weekly time frame. Now going down to the daily time frame, you can also see that price is bullish, in the sense that if you switch to structure, you can see that after we retested the EMA here, we had this heavy volume to the upside, came down, and we had another heavy volume to the upside, and this heavy volume contributed to the break of this premium resistance level. So now we have broken this premium resistance level, we're going to come back to support on it and then head to the upside. It's simple, guys. It's simple. And also, price has also forged what we call the head and shoulder pattern. If you don't know that, you can see the left shoulder, you can see the head, you can see the right shoulder, you can see the break of the neckline, and we're looking at the retest to continue to the upside. Anybody that knows about this pattern will literally understand what I'm showing them right now. If you don't understand this pattern, believe me, everything has been taught on the Golf Club Comprehensive Forex course. I thought about chart pattern. It's all in the course, right? So just get the course for yourself. So that's what's happening on the daily time frame. So you can see the daily time frame structure is bullish. You had 1, retracement. This was a structure. We broke above, showing what? Bullish confirmation. So waiting for a retracement, and then we'll do what? Go again for another break. It's simple, guys. So this was happening on the daily time frame. Also, you can see the EMA price is above the EMA. And what does that signify? Like I told you guys, a bullish move, right? So now we'll come to the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, this is like the most beautiful time frame right now, because literally you can see that price is just, you know, moving to the upside in a clean manner, because we had this. Let me show you guys. Just stay with me here. Stay with me and watch this. We had this soft to the upside. Boom. And we had what? Retracement. We had the next soft to the upside. Boom. And we had what? Retracement. We had this next soft to the upside. Boom. In fact, this next soft happened to this point here. And we had what? This retracement here. We had this retracement here. And then we had this massive volume to the upside. This and that heavy move to the upside. So what are we waiting for? We're literally waiting for the retracement on this weekly premium support / resistance level to give us the next move to the upside. And this retracement is going to happen on this nice psychological level at 0.67676, and then we're going to head towards 0.70000. So that's on that psychological level right there. So this is my trade outlook, and let's see how it goes. Peace and love.